Hello everyone, this is a update on Trainlab 1. To refresh your memory, back on October 11th, 2020, I put this car out and I'm going to leave it outside for 1 year to see how it weathers naturally. And it's an all-metal Model Power boxcar. And I haven't been doing updates because not much has changed. For a while I was doing a monthly update. But I did have two people ask me what's going on with this car. So let's take a little closer look and see how it is going. All right, it's got a lot of leaf material and stuff on it. You know what? It looks like one side is different. Does that look a little darker to you than this side? More junk on it. Doors still work. Now keep in mind, this has been through many snowstorms. At one point, this was under 4 feet of snow. And yeah, it looks like, well, this door isn't open. Yeah, you can see there's some discoloration. So black, I can't tell, but that's where we are for now. So we'll put it back on the track and check back on it later. Thanks for watching.